Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. We got an exciting recipe for you guys tonight. I mean, they're all exciting, right?
Yes, sir.
At least to us. At least to us there. Alright, let me clean off my hand there. But we're going to do a New England clam chowder with a Cheddar Bay biscuit bowl. Alright, but we're going to get right in here. Get my oil heating up. Good to be back with you guys. Been a long week, guys. A little tired. But, got to get a video out for you guys. You know what? You're going to like this. But, we got a few carrots, some celery, onion, and only about 2 cloves of garlic because I don't want the garlic to overpower this. New England clam chowder is awesome. All right. I also got some potatoes diced up over here. You want to dice them small because this is only going to take about 40 minutes to cook, guys. All right, but we're going to go ahead and get this stuff sauteed up a little bit.
Veggie tails.
Uh-oh. It's all bad, guys.
You know how their stuff?
What's that, bud?
You know how you can't find it?
Oh. If there's a snake, it'll bit me.
There we go, there's the Reaper.
Alright. Can't forget one of the main ingredients. Yeah.
Bacon.
A little bit of bacon. Just not a lot. Just a little. Alright? Because we're going to get this. I love that bacon flavor. Plus, everything goes great with bacon. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna let these sear a little bit. That way they get softened up. Pretty cool. Some Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits. But we are turning it into a bowl. Awesome. You could use a regular bowl. Okay. Let's change things up a little bit. There's our little seasoning packet for the butter lady. We're going to use half a cup of sharp cheddar, probably a little more, because it stiffens the bowl up. Cheddar Bay biscuits. Woohoo! Alright, whoops, forgot my water. It's been one of those days, guys. What are you doing? Crazy, crazy. We're going to throw in about 3/4 of a cup of water. And we got a trusty little spray over here. That way it doesn't stick. You guys, this is pretty cool, guys. You're going to like it. Look at that. We're going to make a little bowl. But we want to get this all mixed up, incorporated together real quick. Get this in the oven, because it's going to take this about 45 minutes to cook, guys, the bowl. Just because these are drop biscuits, they're not made to be in a bowl form. But you know what? Reaper's amazing. So I figured out a way to make a bowl out of it. Woohoo! Beats crackers any day. Right? Oh, yeah. And it's just one box of the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits. And you can get 2 small bowls out of it. But we're going to do...
Can you eat cereal in it?
No, I don't know if I'd eat cereal in it. Cereal's not as thick as soup, buddy. But you could always try it. Alright. So there we got that in there. Let's go ahead and put this in the oven because it's going to take that a minute to cook. Alright. And we got our stuff sizzling over here. Let me wash off my spoon real quick. Listen to that sizzle, guys. All right. Smell that bacon. All right, we're gonna have to turn this up just a little bit. We want these to soften up a little bit, guys. Otherwise, it's gonna take a minute to cook when you're making your soup. Nothing like a good bowl of clam chowder. And this is Reaper style. And we got our 2 cups of clams over here. That's not going to go until later, after our stuff cooks. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff, sauteed up a little bit. We'll be right back. Stuff all sauteed up there. We're going to throw in about 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. All right. We're going to stir this around for a second. Because remember, guys, we want to brown that up, right? This is our roux. This is going to make our soup thick. But you want to stir this around for about a minute.
I was looking around for the biscuit bowl and I forgot you put it in the oven. I thought that was the biscuit bowl for a minute.
Oh, yeah,
That's what I call a small brain strategy.
As you noticed, my trusty cameraman has developed an accent. Oh, yeah. I tell you. Next he'll be talking, hello, monsieur. Yeah. All right. Remember, you want to brown it up, guys. You don't want to get sick, so brown up your flour. We're going to throw in 2 cups of chicken broth here. And about a tablespoon of Worcestershire. And we're going to put in a jar of clam juice. And we're going to go ahead and throw clams in while we're at it. And of course, just a little dab of hot sauce.
Little, that's like a teaspoon or whatever you call it. I forget the name, and you just said
Forget the name. Alright. So there we have this going. Let me throw in my pepper. About a half a teaspoon.
Oh.
And we're going to throw in about a half a teaspoon of salt. Remember, guys, you can always salt the taste. You can always add it. You can't take it out. Look at that, already thickening. Crazy, right? Aha! It's going to be good soup. And we're throwing a couple bay leaves. I'm going to go ahead and throw in my potatoes. It's about 3 medium potatoes. You're not making potato soup, guys. Remember, you're making clam chowder. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to add two more cups of chicken broth. They were like, how you know that was 2 cups? Reaper just knows. Alright, so we're going to let this come together. Come up to temp. You don't want to add your cream in it, guys, till towards the end. You don't want it to curdle. But we do want the potatoes to go ahead and get fork tender. Alright? So we're going to let this all come together. Check on the bowl. Oh yeah. It's coming together as well. We'll be back in a bit, guys. Ciao. I had to add just a little dash more pepper in there. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put in 4 cups of heavy cream. Gunchy's like diving out of the way. He's in the line of fire. Woohoo! Alright. Alright. We're going to put a lid on that. We're going to bring it to a boil. You can use milk, guys, if you want, for a little lighter version. As you can see, our bowl's making progress. We got it out of the oven. I'm just going to go ahead and brush it with the seasoning right out of the Red Lobster box. All right. This is going to make it crisp, guys. That way it stays together. Alright, and then back in the oven this is gonna go. Ow, woo, woo. It's hot.
I thought you didn't have feeling in your fingertips.
I do when I'm grabbing a hot pan. Alright. Well, we're gonna put a lid on this. We're gonna bring it to a boil, guys. And we'll be back to get this plated up for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back. There's our Cheddar Bay biscuit bread bowl with our clam chowder. And we're going to give this to Gunchy. We're going to top it with some bacon because, you know, he likes bacon.
Yes, sir.
All right. But there you have it, guys. New England clam chowder and a Cheddar Bay biscuit bowl. Thanks for being with us here in another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. And I'd like to remind you guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, share. We love you guys. God bless. We'll see you next time.